Welcome to the Science Academy. Here we are with the class 9th chemistry. Unit 1 Fundamentals of Chemistry. Today our topic is about atomic number, mass number, atomic mass unit, and average atomic mass. We will study and discuss about this topic. The elements and the product table is arranged on the basis of atomic number. An atom is electrically neutral, so they have the same number of electrons as the number of protons. It is represented by the symbol Z. Atomic number is equal to number of protons or the number of electrons in an atom. There are some elements with their atomic number. As the table shows, hydrogen has the atomic number 1, carbon has 6, oxygen with 8, sodium with 11, and chlorine with 17. If we look at oxygen, it has an atomic number of 8. It means it has 8 electrons. Mass number. The mass number of an atom is equal to the sum of number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus. Mass of an atom depends upon the number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus. Mass number is also called nucleon number. Mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Hence, the number of neutrons can be calculated by number of protons is equal to mass number minus number of protons. It is derived by the formula of mass number. The picture shows the general representation of atomic symbol with their mass number as A and Z with their atomic number. For example, if we take example of carbon, so it has a symbol C with atomic mass 12 and atomic number 6. This example shows atomic number and mass number of carbon. As carbon has atomic number of 6 with the number of protons as 6 and number of electrons 6. So we can calculate the mass number by adding protons and neutrons. So it will come out with a 12. Relative atomic mass. The relative atomic mass of an element is the mass of an atom of an element relative to the mass of 1 by 12 of the mass of carbon 12. It means that masses of atoms are expressed relative to the mass of the carbon 12 atom. 1 atom of carbon 12 is equal to 12 units. This is an atomic scale showing the relative atomic masses of some elements and that of the standard element carbon 12. If we look at the scale, hydrogen has 1.008 relative atomic mass. Atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit is the mass of 1 by 12 mass of an atom of carbon 12. For example, if we calculate the atomic mass unit of carbon, atomic weight of the carbon 12 is equal to 12 gram is equal to 1 mole. Similarly, 1 mole of carbon 12 contains atoms 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms, which is an Avogadro number. We will know and study about the Avogadro numbers in coming lectures. One atom of carbon-12 is equal to 12 by Avogadro's number is equal to 1.993 into 10 raised to power 23 gram, and it can be converted into kilogram. So we can calculate 1 AMU is equal to 1 by 12 into 1.99 into 10 raised to power minus 23 is equal to 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kilogram. Here are the some elements with their relative atomic masses. The table shows that different elements have their different relative atomic mass in AMU. For example, if we look at oxygen, it has 15.8994 AMU. This table shows silver has large relative atomic mass in AMU with 107. Average atomic mass. Average atomic masses is the weighted average of the atomic masses of the naturally occurring isotopes of an element. This definition mentions isotopes of an element. It can be calculated by the formula average atomic mass is equal to atomic mass of first isotope into its percentage abundance divided by 100 plus atomic mass of second isotope into its percentage abundance divided by 100. This is the formula by which average atomic mass can be calculated. For example, if we take an example of chlorine 35 isotope and chlorine 37, we must know about their atomic mass of isotopes and their percentage abundance. If we calculate the atomic mass unit or the average atomic mass unit of chlorine isotope, it will come out with a 35.50 AMU.